Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's find the passwords and security. Then we have to go to the system security, let's tap on it. And now let's scroll down in order to find the credential storage. As you can see at the very bottom we've got the option we're looking for, so remove all user certificates. So just tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see here we've got the information that the credential storage has been raised successfully. What is more, we cannot tap on this option which is outside the evidence that we successfully removed the certificates. And be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock reset, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.